right, so we are headed into the Mason floor plan. It is just over 1,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms with a 2-car garage. As you come in the front door, you got this wide open view with the open hallway, so you can kind of get in the door and not feel claustrophobic. The secondary bedrooms are all up front. So here's one of the first ones here off to the left next to the garage. Size wise, this is a decent sized bedroom. You can fit, that's a full size bed and still have enough room for desk and everything. And if you needed to put a television in here, you can easily mount it on the wall. You got a double door closet and you can mount that television here or in the corner and still have plenty of walk space, which is actually pretty nice. That door here is going to take you into the garage. They all look the same, so I never go in them. Here's a hallway closet here. Across the hall is going to be the other 2 bedrooms or bedroom and office, like they did in the model. So this one up here is a office space. It's a little smaller. You can definitely see the smallness compared to the room we just left. But if you did a twin bed or a day bed in here, you probably would be okay. But it does again have the double closet, so you still get that space at least. The bathroom is going to be a standard bathroom. Your normal tub, and then you've got double sinks here with the big tall mirror. They opted for the white on gray color scheme in here. Definitely makes it pop. And then here is bedroom number 3. And again, this bedroom seems a little smaller than that very first room, but still big enough. Actually, I see why it's smaller. That bed's bigger. That's almost a queen size bed, but there still was enough space to put nightstands on both sides. And then here's the double door closet for this one. All right, so those are our 3 bedrooms that are at the front of the house. Here is your oversized laundry room here. So it's kind of centrally located for everyone, which is cool. Not right off the primary bedroom, which is I'm not a fan of, but it's still in a good enough space so you're not walking clean through the house. You got extra shelf space here for storage, extra either pantry storage or just storage in general. And then it opens up into your great room concept where your kitchen, your dining room, and your living room are all together here. And we'll do this from different angles so you can kind of get a feel for the space. I'm in the living room now. There's that television on the wall, and there's the kitchen. And then again, we'll do this from the back of the dining room area so you can see towards the front of the house. That's the front door way up there. Kitchen, dining room. And you're gonna have all of your appliances. You got a gas stove, you've got the farm sink, there's your dishwasher, refrigerator. There's an extra space for counter prep or whatever you're going to use there. And here's the walk-in pantry. Plenty of space there also. This one comes with the granite countertops. And this is actually standard, believe it or not, in these homes. So that's not something you have to negotiate. It's already there. And then the back of the house is going to take you into the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom gives you enough space for at least a king size, well, at most a king size bed. Still plenty of space on both sides for nightstands. If you wanted to put a dresser or armoire over against that wall there, you can do that. Or if you want to flip it around and put the bed over there and put everything else on this side, you can do that also. So you've got options in this room. If you're trying to, figure out what you want to do with the space in here, there's plenty of space for maneuvering, which is awesome. Now, in the primary bathroom, in this particular series of homes, they only offer a shower, a stand-up shower. They do offer a series of homes with a tub and shower option, but this is not one of them. So I just wanted to make that clear. Here is the toilet room. Again, there's a space over there for prepping or getting dressed. You're gonna have double sinks And your extra tall mirror. And if I swing it around, you've actually got a decent sized closet, especially for this size of a home. So I'm not mad at the closet at all. And then there's a shoe shelf there. So here's that bathroom again. And then here's the rest of the closet. So again, this is the Mason. It is a little over 1,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, how many bathrooms? I don't even know, 2 bathrooms. So if this is something that kind of fits what you're looking for, give me a call, 623-207-7146.